Good morning guys, today I'm at BigRock Dirt Park and I've come for a workshop for next 2 days. This is organized by Atomic MotorSports in association with BigRock Dirt Park, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun and it's going to be a lot of learning curve as well for me, because I'm going to be with the team and Nelly is going to teach us for next 2 days how to do off-roading and also the skill sets one would need to make sure you get a perfect off-roading style or do a good off-roading whenever you have an opportunity to do so. To talk a little bit about Atomic Motorsport, so they started a year back as a company which would teach students how to ride on a track. They have some great and awesome trainers at their end, which is Avinash and Poncho, and I'm gonna enjoy for next 2 days learning some good off-roading skills with some good set of people who have come to join us and have some good fun. I'll see you in the training session.
Bike which you are riding, okay? So we call it as a walk the bike around the bike to understand what are the spots to grab in situations when you want to maneuver the bike when you are on the ground.
So we're trying to learn the balancing of the bike by using only one hand, which is a technique to understand the weight of the bike and also to get to know how heavy is the bike.
So a typical riding posture on the road is where you cover your brake lever, ready to use it. Okay, now this works for road, but it doesn't work for off-road. Why? Because the ground underneath is constantly shifting and you will never know, unknowingly you'll either shift or you're using the brakes. Alright, so a strict no to be in this posture. So what we do is we push our toes, we stand on our toes in this fashion, or sit also in this fashion. Basically we don't cover those controls.
So this is a drill now to do the flat track and practice our posture, where the knees are gonna just relax and sit normal, but your foot is where you need to concentrate. The training continues. We are trying how to stand and ride the bike. And also how you can turn. Getting quite warm in here.